To draw and colour a strawberry, start by sketching a heart-like shape for the body, then add a leafy crown at the top. Colour the body with red and the leaves with green. Add details like seeds and shading to make it more realistic. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Sketching the strawberry. Begin by drawing a heart-like shape, rounding off the bottom tip to form the basic body of the strawberry. Add the leafy crown at the top, drawing small pointed leaves extending upwards and outwards. Include small details like the stem and a few small lines to suggest texture on the body. 2. Colouring the strawberry. Use red for the main body of the strawberry, leaving small areas for highlights. Colour the leaves with different shades of green, adding darker shades for shadows and lighter ones for highlights. Use yellow or a light colour to create the highlights on the body. Add small dashes or dots in a darker red or even black to represent the seeds. Consider using a darker shade of red.